Yo, future millionaires, let's talk about a bank you probably haven't heard of, but one that's absolutely popping off right now. We're always looking at the big names, but what if the real opportunity is somewhere else? Stick with me for 2 minutes. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what's going on with Odotobri Rural Bank and what it could mean for your wallet. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Investment Nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. So, first question. What even is a rural bank? Think of it like this. While the big banks like Bank or GCB are like the giant supermarkets in the city, a rural bank is like that amazing trusted community shop in your hometown. It's smaller, it knows its customers by name, and it's deeply connected to the local businesses and farmers. And sometimes that local shop can grow faster than anyone expected because it serves its community so well. That's exactly what seems to be happening with Odotobri Rural Bank. The news article says they had remarkable growth in all indicators. Let's break down what that actually means for us regular folks. Here are the key numbers. Profit jumped by 41%. Their profit before tax grew from GHS 17.4 million to GHS 24.6 million. Imagine your side hustle made GHS 100 last year. This year, it made GHS 141. That's a massive leap. It means the bank is becoming much more efficient and successful at its core business. Deposits hit GHS 576 million. Deposits is the money that regular people like you and me put into the bank for safekeeping. More deposits mean more people in the community trust this bank with their money. It's like everyone in town agreeing that this is the place to keep their cash. Total assets are now GHS 652 million. Assets are everything the bank owns that has value, like the loans it has given out, its buildings, its cash reserves. Think of it as the total size of the bank's empire. A bigger empire usually means a stronger, more stable bank. Okay, so the bank is growing fast. Cool story, but so what? What does this mean for you as a potential investor? The opportunity. When a company is growing this fast, it can be a sign of a very healthy and well-managed business. Investing is basically betting on a company's future success. If you believe Odotobri will keep growing, getting in early could be a smart, long-term move. The big question mark. Here's the crucial part that every beginner needs to know. The article talks about all this amazing growth, but it doesn't mention one key thing. How can you actually buy a piece of this? Is Odotobri Rural Bank even listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange, GSE, where you and I can easily buy shares? This is a vital question. Many rural banks are not publicly traded. You might not be able to just go online and buy their shares like you can with MTN or Bank. This is the number one thing you'd need to find out. Now let's get real for a second. The huge growth numbers show a thriving business. Deep community trust means a solid customer base. It could be a hidden gem that the big investors haven't fully noticed yet. The things to think about. Is it even available to buy? As we said, this is the biggest question. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Just because they grew 41% this year doesn't mean they will next year. Investing always carries risk. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research or talk to a licensed financial advisor before investing your money. So, to wrap it up, Odotobri Rural Bank is a small, community-focused bank that is posting some seriously impressive growth numbers. It's a fascinating story that shows the power of local business. But the big mystery remains, how can we actually invest? Comment rural in the comment section if you would consider this bank. If this was helpful, smash that like button and share it with a friend. Peace out.